Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back to see me. Today I'm going to make a delicious Kale Caesar from scratch. So if you would like to watch me make a Kale Caesar, please keep watching. Okay, so here's the ingredients for the Caesar. 2 cloves of garlic, anchovies, 2 egg yolks, about a half a cup of Parmesan, and 2 cups of croutons, olive oil, stone ground mustard, lemon juice, and kale.
Okay, so I'm chopping up my garlic, and I'm going to chop it kind of fine. Now you're going to put your lemon juice in, the mustard, your anchovies. I put 3 anchovies, 2 egg yolks, and then I'm just stripping the kale off of the stems, and I already washed it. And then I just chop it up, not super fine, but I don't like big chunks either, so it's kind of medium chop. You'll see that I put my bowl in a drawer in front of me so that I can whisk and add my oil at the same time. Okay, so now I'm just gonna smash up my anchovies with the bottom of my whisk, and then I'm just adding the oil in. As I whisk, I catch the oil as I squeeze it in from the squeeze bottle, and you can see it getting thick as you're whisking it. So I added about 3/4 of a cup of oil. So now you're going to add your kale, your Parmesan, and your croutons, and I like to mix it with my hands because it gets the dressing all incorporated into the kale really good.
Okay, it's all done. It's super easy to make and it's very delicious. I'm gonna have a bite right now. So good. Well, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe so you can see more videos like this. I'll see you next time. Bye. Very delicious. I'm gonna have a bite right now.